In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Notion page with others. We'll break it down step by step to ensure you have a seamless experience. So whether you are new to Notion or looking to refresh your knowledge, stick around for these concise instructions. First, ensure you start by navigating over to the Notion app on your device. If you haven't logged in yet, now would be the time to do so. Once you're inside, the next step is to open the specific Notion page that you wish to share with someone else. It's important to have the exact page open because what you will do next involves sharing that specific piece of content. You'll notice in the top right corner of your page, there's a Share button. Go ahead and click on it. Clicking this button will initiate the process and open up options for sharing that particular page. Inside the Share menu, you'll see a space to enter email addresses. This area is where you input the email address of the person you want to invite to the page. If the person is already part of your workspace, you can directly select their name from the list instead. This allows you to easily share your work in an efficient manner. Once you've entered their email or selected their name, you'll need to determine what level of access they should have. There are a few options here: Can View, Can Comment, or Can Edit. Make your selection based on what you are comfortable with them doing. For instance, if you simply want to show them the content without changes, choose Can View. If you'd like their input, maybe opt for Can Comment. After you've set the permission level, it's just a matter of clicking the Invite button to send out the invitation. The invited person will receive an email notification along with a link granting them access to the page. This method is great for more controlled and private collaboration. Alternatively, if you're seeking a broader audience or simply want anyone to access the page without individual invitations, consider the option to publish the page. Start by selecting the Publish option, where you will then click Publish to the web. This action generates a public URL for your page. Before finalizing, you have the opportunity to customize certain settings to suit your needs, such as whether you allow search engines to index the page. Adjust these settings according to your preferences, and once that's set, the page is ready to go. Finally, copy the generated link and share it as needed. You can paste this link into an email, a chat, or wherever you prefer, making your content accessible to your chosen audience. There you have it, an easy and efficient way to share your Notion pages with others, making collaboration a breeze. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.